In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your customer relationships by adding a job or sub-customer in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing accounts for a larger company, understanding this process will ensure that you keep your projects organized and streamline your invoicing and reporting. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to open the Chrome browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online by typing in quickbooks.intuit.com. After the website loads, sign in with your credentials to access your account. This is the first step in our process to keep everything structured for your accounting needs. Once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, take a look at the left sidebar. You're going to want to direct your attention to the Sales section. Clicking on that will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Customers. This will bring you to a comprehensive list of all your current clients. Here, you can view existing customers or see where you might need to add new ones. It's an essential move to make sure you're starting off by understanding your current customer landscape before adding additional information. Next, we need to find or add our main customer. If your customer is already part of your list, you simply need to scroll through the names and click on the appropriate customer. However, if this customer is new and you don't see their name listed, go ahead and click on New Customer to create their profile first. Setting up a primary customer is vital since the new project or job we'll be adding is directly linked to this parent customer. Now for the core task, adding a job, also known as a sub-customer. Still within the main customer's profile, you'll notice an option to add a new customer or explicitly add a sub-customer. This is where jobs or projects are entered, usually indicated by a button or an option near the customer list. Click on it to proceed with our setup. Enter the job name or project that you're working on. Then make sure to check the box marked Is Sub-Customer to classify this as a part of the main customer's profile. This is critical for categorizing your projects correctly. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the name of the parent customer to ensure this new job is associated with the correct account. Don't forget to input any supplementary details that might be relevant, such as billing address or contact email, to keep all pertinent information easy to access. Finally, it's important to seal the deal by clicking Save. This action will confirm all the information you've entered, officially adding the job under the main customer's profile for future use. Properly saving your changes is fundamental in ensuring that nothing is lost and that your QuickBooks is updated with the latest organizational structure. Following these steps will make managing your projects within QuickBooks Online more structured and efficient. Remember, staying organized within your accounting software helps in maintaining clarity across your business operations. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.